Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix request limit exceeded on 1xBet. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. The first method you can use is to wait and try 10 to 15 minutes later. So when you see a request limit exceeded message arriving, what you can do is try to wait 10 to 15 minutes. The second method can be to go to menu. Once in menu, scroll down and go to support. Once in support, go to chat with operator. Once in chat with operator, write a message to your operator and let them know you have a problem with your 1xBet account. That is one method. Another method could be going to Chrome. Once you're in the navigator, here in my case, the navigator is Chrome, type 1xBet. Once you type 1xBet, go to the web page of 1xBet. Once in the web page of 1xBet, log in with your account and you'll be able to make your daily job. That was all for this video.